Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in this one I'm going to show you to send a WhatsApp view once voice note. All right. So of course in this case you can send messages and of course they'll be view once, meaning once the other party views them once, they'll only have one chance in order to view those and then they'll be disappear. All right. In terms of they won't be able to replay it or view it again. All right. So what you want to do first, guys, is go ahead and go to WhatsApp. I already have a chat open. And what I'm going to do here is you're going to see the familiar interface here. And the key here is instead of pressing and holding right here, you're going to press once. And you'll have to do this repeat in one motion and then select the option. So I'll show you. So first tap on the speaker, then you're going to tap on the next screen, the one. There you go. Tap the one. And you notice it appears message saying that we're now sending this as a type of message that is a send once. All right, what we're going to do here is test. All right, it's recording everything I've said. You can pause at any time just in case during the process so you don't have to feel rush. Once you start, you press that and then you can pause or so on. So you can send, or another way, you tap. See, you can actually pause. So it's as simple as this. You can pause at any time. You can tap. Voice message set to view once. Then once you're ready, you go ahead and resume. Test. You send. All right. So in this case, I've sent two of them and both of them are sent. All right. So you can see view once. And of course, once the other party views your messages, they have been delivered. Once they view them once, they'll get the notification that they can view only once. And a window will open, and once that window opens, they'll be able to play. And then once after that, they can't play it a second time. All right, hope that was helpful, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.